How to fix Messenger could not load high resolution image problem. So if you are encountering the problem where Messenger could not load high resolution images, you have to try the following troubleshooting steps to follow these issues, or you have to follow the troubleshooting steps to fix this issue. So first of all, you have to check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable and strong internet connection. You have to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it resolves the issue. Also, if you are using your Wi-Fi, you have to restart your router to refresh the connection. So on your Android device, you have to open up your Google Play Store and search for the Messenger here. Once you have searched for the Messenger, if there is any update available, then you have to update the latest version of your Messenger app. Also, you can go to your Android device setting, and on your settings, just go and scroll down through your app or management app. And here you have to simply search for the Messenger. Once you have searched for the Messenger, and you have to open up your Messenger, you have to tap on the clear data and go for the clear cache here. You have to clear the cache of your Messenger. If clearing cache doesn't help you, you may also try the clear data. Note that this will reset the app to its default state and you may need to log in again. So also sometimes simply restarting your device also can solve the temporary issues. So you can uninstall and reinstall your Messenger from your Google Play Store, which can also solve the issues. If none of these app solution work, you might need to contact the Facebook support for further assistance. So by following this step, you will be able to resolve the issues of Messenger not loading high resolution images. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.